Group H will be present about management and professional ethics. Jig and features for bagi frame design manufacturing. My team members is Muhammad Fikri, Muhammad Faizul Amri, Muhammad Aziz, and me, Muhammad Zaki. Group member and role. Muhammad Fikri bin Ekman is a project manager. Muhammad Aziz bin Maskan as an assistant manager. Muhammad Faizul Amri, model designer, and me, Muhammad Zaki, model designer. Okay, for the project summary, this project is about properly show a good planning and management while finishing jig and feature for bagi manufacturing. To achieve the objective in this project, the selection of suitable jig and feature design is important to completing this project. In addition, the cost of expense for jigs and features is calculated in the project so as not to lose too much in producing the jig and feature. Besides, this project also has shown the discussion of the project planning and planning process of the jig and feature, such as creating Gantt chart and creating workflow using traditional approach. Okay, objective. Number one is to properly manage and plan the jig and feature project to achieve the project objective. Second, to discuss the project planning of the jig and feature project. Third, to be able to create the jigs and feature that will help with the manufacturing process while implementing project management. Four, to successfully develop and implement the jig and features project procedure. Next slide. Okay, for the scope of study, number one is choosing of bagi design. Second, selection of production process. Determining the actual size of workpiece. And the last one is the undetermined maximum cost for jigs and feature design.
Okay, next is next is for the workflow. The first process is initiating. We decide the title project, discuss the rough plan, reference past paper on the same topic. The duration of the process is for 3 days. The next is planning. Each member are given the task that being divided by the project manager. List and analyze all the problems that may occur in the project for the duration of 8 days. Next is development of project, make a prototype design for the GM feature model. Next is propose the prototype design to lecturer. Next is design the model of the jig and feature. And lastly, costing the cost for the jig manufacturing. Okay, after finish the report and slide. Next, we finish the report and slide presentation for 7 days. We compile the report and make slide presentation on the project. Lastly, we will submit the report and presentation to the lecturer. Next is for work strategy. Our plan for effective project management is straightforward, on which the member are accountable for all the element of a project. This is set as standard to ensure that everyone is on the same page and understand when their deliverables are due and how the project as a whole relate to their project. A project manager is responsible for bringing together a right mix of skill, talent, and personalities that are perfect for each unique project. That strategy is to ensure that all group skill set are matched with unique project demands. For the approach for this project, we use traditional project management. Traditional project management is an established methodology where projects are run in a sequential cycle. It follows a fixed sequence, which is initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. project manager play a crucial role if we are using this approach because of the need to consistently monitor that our project doesn't go out from the initial project objective. The benefit is clearly defined objective and documentation, more accountability and controllable process. For the tool for this project, use is Microsoft Office. It can be used to create a Gantt chart that can clearly show the time flow of the project and also can help the project to stay in track. Minute of meeting can also be created from this tool, which help a lot for the discussion among the group member.
Okay, next for the Gantt chart, the time are separated into 14 weeks, and the duration or test for the each week is the project title, the distribution, collected data from patent article, design JIT model prototype, submit proposal to lecturer, create variants for different type of JIT, design JIT model, final design and SolidWorks report and documentation, submit report to lecturer, presentation, and finally project completion. There is a two color in the Gantt chart, which is blue and red. Red is the for actual blue. Blue is the plan, and red is the actual implementation of the project. Okay, next. Okay, I will give the presentation to Haziq. Terus. Okay, this is the methodology. First we start, and then brainstorming for the idea. Then we present progress to lecturer. If the proposal are not good, we will repeat the brainstorming process. If the proposal is good, we will go the collect data for JIT and fixture. Then we will install SolidWorks. Start drawing using SolidWorks. Next, we will compile the full report and presentation, and finally we finish the project. Okay, next. This is project result. 3D drawing of final product. There are five JIT and fixture. First, the assembly fixture. Next is the drill JIT. Third is the pipe fixture. Fourth is the clamping fixture. And finally is the bending JIT. Okay, project issue. There is several issues happening while completing the project, and one of them is choosing the project title for the project. Second problem is distributing the task among the team member. Third, reference to creating a functional JIT and fixture that can be used in industrial project. The fourth problem is choosing suitable material for the JIT and fixture. Fifth, costing the price for the manufacturing of the JIT and fixture being designed in this project. The project issue are included in the minute of meeting. Okay, for the problem solving, we will give the presentation to the project manager, Fikri Netman. Fikri, you can go through with the slide.
Okay, as for the problem solving, all group members suggested project title name and the decision in order to take the project title suggestion by the group member are in hand of the project manager and assistant manager. For the task distribution, project manager act as person in charge and selected suitable group member to execute the given task based on the strong point and skill of the person. Literature review of article journal needed to be done to solve the problem with referencing our project with readily available JIT and fixture in the manufacturing industry. Research also will be done to discover suitable material for our JIT and fixture model. The solution for costing are suggested by one of our group member is by using cost calculator founded by Liaoning Boru Machinery Co. Ltd. and it can be used to calculate the costing price for carbon steel and alloy steel which are suitable for our jig and fixture material. Okay, next. As for the conclusion, our group have done this project successfully. All group members did their job with ethic by following the schedule perfectly. The design of jigs and fixture are designed well using SolidWorks 2018. Lecturer is used as a reference throughout completing this project. Jig and fixture are designed for assembled bagi chassis, and jig and fixture also is manufactured in assembly process. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.
Okay. We will stop the video right now. Thank you for listening.